and they're laying on the motor mount, and they're laying on the starter cover on the passenger side.
We're pretty close to the steering rack too.
Yeah, you could see that it was hitting. I marked everywhere it was hitting, so I could try to like adjust it when I have them out.
So they were already on the car.
Yeah.
Well, Texas speed guys. I mean,
see how it looks like it's hitting there?
Yeah, I can see. Let me see if I can zoom in on that.
So that's obviously already marked where it was hitting.
Move the flashlight a little bit.
The spark plug wires just lay on it, so I'm gonna have to put. We're gonna have to put MSDs on it.
Well, you know everyone's motto. Well, they're like $800 versus like $2,000 for the American racing.
Every spark plug wire. I mean, this is a factory wire. It's just laying on there.
Oh my god.
Not much you can do about that. Like on the Vets years ago, they would hit, but you'd have to cut that little nub off.
Yeah.
But these don't have that nub.
And what's this thing getting?
Just a cam. It had a rotofab and headers already.
It had headers.
It's getting cam and E.
Cam and flexible, okay.
Yeah. We'll find out.
Yeah.
Yeah, she'll plug in once it's tightened down there.
That's good.
I mean, I'm the one who gave you that idea, bro. Not Eric. Don't be giving Eric credit.
He was just telling me, I think. He was just kind of giving me an idea.
I know. Matt went on vacation and now forgets how to work on the car he's worked on 600 of in the last fucking 6 months.
I'd much rather do Corvettes every day.
I know. I mean, I guess if you did Camaros every day, you'd probably much rather do Camaros, but...
I think Matt fucking much rather do Corvettes every day.
Oh, Matt, you getting... rather do Vets now than you did after you did one?
I don't really give a shit either way.
I mean, I guess if you do the same thing every day, it's easier than switching off.
They'd be so much. They'd be so much better. What'd you say?
C7s are easier.
Yeah. And the only reason they are, in my opinion, is because of the fucking radiator bullshit.
Yeah, you got all the room in the front.
Yeah. I mean, you got to take all the radiator out, like through the front, and take the bumper off.
Slide the camera down at it.
Yeah, like this. I mean, you spend half your time taking all this crap out.
Yeah.
That's why I started pulling motors out.
Yeah, I was gonna say, or you can just pull the whole motor out.
Yeah.
Metal springs Dunzo.
Yep. Like Bill.
You never had Serpies?
Never heard of it.
Bill says he loves garlic. I love garlic too, but I don't like the crunch of the garlic. It's just.
Serpies was like the king shit around here back in the day. They might semi still be, but they got like. They got shut down by like the Board of Health like multiple times.
That's nice.
Well, listen, I'll tell you.
How long ago?
Yeah, couple years ago.
Oh, just like Barnaby's burnt down.
Like multiple times they got shut down. Like they would have like trays of like donuts and shit just sitting outside, and apparently there was like birds just hanging out on it, like shitting on the stuff, like crazy shit, right?
What?
Yeah, this was years ago, and Matt's smirking because he knows it's all 100% true. And then it mysteriously burnt down. Like they got like shut down.
Yeah.
They first I think they got a bunch of violations, then they just got shut down by the Board of Health.
Oh.
And then like not too long later, like
Mysteriously burnt down.
Yeah. Mysteriously burnt down, and it like burnt to the fucking ground. So they like rebuilt the whole place, and now it's like very nice.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Insurance money.
Yeah, one of those man just happened to catch on fire.
It's like Barnaby's in Havertown. You know, there was a cigarette that magically lit the whole thing on fire, but the fire started at like 3:30 a.m. Like, oh, when the bar's closed. I'm like, there's just someone hanging.
Smoldering cigarette type
in
thing?
the mulch. Yeah, okay.
The cameras probably didn't work, or some had an issue. But yeah, so that's Serpies. But so I think it's like really nice now.
Wow.
But years ago, I didn't realize a little T-tag on this thing. Old Virginia T-tag. Well, 2 grays. Little SS. CL1. This color is sick. You gonna have this thing running there, Eric, or what?
Fuck, could they bring my cam phaser?
Oh, that's what you're waiting on?
Yeah, got everything ready to go. I'm just waiting on my cam phaser.
That's annoying.
Yep.
You can't put the lifters and heads and shit on?
I mean, I got the lifters soaking, I got the heads here, just finished them up. So they're gonna lift the lifters set while we're on lunch. put them back in when I get back, and hopefully my phaser's here by then. I can just do all that shit.
So this thing must be like new, 22 or newer.
Yeah.
For those that don't know, they have a different style phaser. Do we have both of the phasers next to each other?
I don't have no other phaser.
This is the new one?
Yeah.
I got one.
Yeah, so the new style, you can't like put a lockout in.
You have what?
He's got one sitting.
truck. We established it's a different part.
Yeah, it's different, but it's the inside part that's different, right?
I guess.
Whatever. We had these part before, and you can't put the lockout and shit in it. So you switch back to the old style, which we're waiting on from GM. So Eric can lock it out. Bolt it on. He's just fucking on grinder right now, just hanging out.
No, just people are blowing up my phone today for some reason about random shit.
You're popular, bro. I mean, I know you're not on grinder. You're married, bro.
Yeah.
Get in there. Now we got some parts.
What do you think that thing will make, Matt?
About 330, I think.
I was gonna say I have no idea even what they make.
I only know because people are starting to post graphs now that tuning's out.
Oh yeah, okay. Well, I did see the one like tune only got like 400, right?
I think one guy was pushing 400.
And that's tune only.
Yeah, tune only.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's crazy that there's that much in there.
I know.
But like I said, when I drove, granted it was a fucking rental truck and not like yours, but it had a 5.0 in it. It felt like it had so much torque management in it. Like that's why I hated it. It just felt like a fucking piece of
Dude,
shit.
you put
Like
my truck in eco mode and it feels like it's got 95%. It's wild.
Eric don't give a fuck about our conversation.
Is that something they do for like rental or like the rental?
I don't know. That's why I was wondering. Like that was the whole reason. Like when I bought my truck, I was like, I'm not getting a 5.0. Like because the one I fucking drove was a turd.
Yeah.
But obviously yours is different because now your truck bone stock versus my EcoBoost with tune on it, it's all like dead even. And I think my truck runs good. Like
Yeah.
so,
I couldn't believe that thing went 13.0. Fucking bone stock.
yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and then like when I talked to Lund about mine when he did my tune, he's like, yeah, it'll probably go like 13.0-ish. And I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't. I mean, other people have done it.
So Lund's telling people that any day HP Tuner is going to release, and everybody needs to hold out from going SCT and wait for HP Tuner.
I believe it because they're starting to release a lot of the 2021 like diesel stuff they released and stuff like that. And
Yeah, so I didn't order. I was gonna order from Palm Beach, but I'd rather have HP Tuner.
Yeah. Plus HP Tuner's like I can just download the file and I'll send it to him and that's it. Like you just fucking pay for credits or whatever.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll hold off and. Bill, did you turn the heat back on earlier out here?
I don't even know how to turn the heat on earlier.
I think Eric just didn't turn it off. Bill said I asked Bill if he turned the heat on. He said I don't even know how.
I walked over and turned it off when they opened the door.
Brian said hi.
Oh, I know. He sent me the picture of it earlier. He sent me a Snapchat of it.
Tension.
Oh, hold on. Let me fucking focus on this shit. Brian from fucking dumbass 187 graphics. There we go. Makes our stickers. Attention fuckface.
Here he is,
back.
Eric COVID, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm back.
Did you get ass fucked in court or what?
No, I got off very easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you get engaged this weekend or what? Anything exciting?
Engaged?
Yeah.
No.
We were wondering like what.
Unfortunately, I'm alive.
Unfortunately, nice.
This whole family was almost fucking gone.
Your parents make it?
Yeah, they made it.
That's good.
That's a miracle.
Sure
It's a
is.
Christmas miracle.
They ended up, they dropped the reckless driving, and they dropped it down to, they only charged me for 5 over.
Wow, you got real luck. Damn, that judge was giving. What? Is it because you're banging his daughter?
No, Jesus Christ. This thing got a cam package, right?
Garrett, you would know if you were here.
Thanks.
It's fucking unbelievable.
Yeah, I mean, I came to work today. What was your excuse?
I was told to go home.
Yeah, you and Kyle both. That's never happened to me and Eric.
Ain't that the truth?
I guess you know, you just see who needs to be here.
Yeah, you know. As you can see, I'm wrapping her up close, so we can put the radiator in and stuff. But
Gotcha.
I'm close.
Well, how was your guys' week in the time I was gone?
It's fucking great, dude.
It was great. It was quiet. I didn't have to walk around.
We had fucking Jake's way. We had Jake's way back 3 times.
Fuck off.
Forgot about that.
Yeah.
No way. Did you guys actually go get Jake's?
Yeah, we did.
I'm fucking salty.
Yeah. Like salty, like.
Like
Yeah.
angry, upset.
Okay.
Huh.
Just was wondering what that meant.
Yeah, Eric, I'm feeling a little pepper, dog.
What are you running a line for right now?
Making my own flex fuel kit.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck I'm calling on cover here? That's what it was. Alright, I'm good.
I assume that's definitely where the valve's closed, right? Sounds like it.
Alright, this is a 2022 Camaro. Got a full cam package and a flex fuel kit. Let's see what she does. I guess it already had headers and stuff on it when it got here. Air fuel look good. It closed the throttle a little bit up top, so I got to fix that, but that is no issue. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna try and fix the throttle and then make another pull. I won't even adjust anything. I don't know what this thing baselined. 441. And it's just made 477 with the throttle closing. It'll probably make like 500 on pump and then maybe another 20 something on E. 516, tackling all fucking whack. Look at you, pal. I was waiting to see if you paid attention. See, he's learning. Dude, this thing's got like LED lights or something in it, and they're like fucking bugging out. Okay, let's see if we can get a little bit more, and then we're probably almost ready for E, because it tunes pretty good right now. Close the throttle super up high, which I kind of expected it to. Over 6,100 it did. So I gotta adjust that. I'll make one more and then we're gonna get some E. Can you get 5 gallons of E ready? So this thing picked up like 63 horsepower so far. And I don't remember what it baselined torque. I didn't look. 519, 454. Made a little less torque there because it's hot, but I think it made 457 on the pull before it. You can put E in. Okay, all looks pretty good there. See what it does on some E. We'll be back. All right, we got 34% E in there, so we'll see what that does and go from there. $527, 466. Was that 5 gallons you got? Can you get another 5? It's at like 36, so we'll try and get it up over 50. So it picked up 8. If we can get it up over 50, it might pick up another 8 to 10. So around 20 is where 15 to 20 is where these things usually pick up naturally aspirated on E85. So once he gets that and dumps it in, we'll be right back. Oh, we dumped another 5 gallons in this. It's at 52%. We'll see what she does, and then probably let it cool down over lunch and make a final pull. $5.29, but it's also hot as fuck. I'll let it cool down and come back after lunch. All right, cold pulls, and it's 53% E. Forgot to put the tack, change the tack thing. Yeah, let it cool down. Now it's fresh, 53% E. .46, 481 torque. I think it was this wrench. It always falls off. I don't know why we leave it there, but it's pretty stout. I'm gonna make one more. Exactly the same. 546, 481. So this thing picked up exactly 100 with a cam and E. Pretty stout numbers, honestly. That's it for this one. Later.